Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we will be doing my sister Jaclyn's makeup. It's gonna be her birthday makeup. Her birthday is this month, the month of August. But we're kind of celebrating it early because my baby might come early. So just in case, and she wanted me to do her makeup to see how she looks with makeup on, and I kind of want to see how she looks with makeup on. Are you excited?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and get started with her makeup. So if you would like to see how her face looks at the end of the makeup, just keep watching. I'm starting off with the Wet n Wild matte primer as a base. I mixed two foundations for her face. I used the Estēe Lauder Double Wear and the MAC Studio Fix Fluid, and then I applied it with an e.l.f. sponge. For her concealer, I am using the Tarte Shape Tape in light medium sand. I used the Kat Von D Shade+Light contour palette to set the highlighted areas and contour her face. I am not mentioning the brushes I'm using because some of them have no name, but the ones that do will be down in the description box. Before I forget, I have to put some primer for her eyeshadow, and I am using the original Urban Decay eyeshadow potion. Now I will set the whole face with the RCMA translucent powder. This powder has no color, it's just to set the face for the rest of the powders to go on smoothly. Here's where I applied the contour using the Kat Von D palette. For bronzer, I use the MAC Mineralized Skinfinish Give Me Sun.
For blush, I use the Tarte Amazonian Clay in Party. For the eyeshadow, I am using the Morphe x Jaclyn Hill Ring the Alarm palette, and the two shades I am using for her look are Rush and Boom. I used MAC Fix Plus Finishing Mist to intensify the color of the eyeshadow I am using and to apply her inner corner highlight as well. I also use the Anastasia Beverly Hills highlight in So Hollywood as part of her eyeshadow and her inner corner highlight. I used the Rimmel London waterproof eye pencil in Blackest Black for her waterline. Right here, I'm just applying the same colors I used for her eyeshadow on her bottom lash line. She wanted a really soft eyeshadow look, but with a wing. So for her wing, I used the NYX Matte Liquid Liner in black. For her top lashes, I used the Maybelline New York waterproof mascara in Glam Black. The lashes I'm using for her are from Kiss in the name Sawyer. For her bottom lashes, I use the L'Oreal Paris Telescopic Mascara in Carbon Black. Lastly, I coated her whole lips with the NYX lip liner in Toast to add NARS Afterglow Lip Balm in Laguna over top.
Okay, so that is it for this video, you guys. This is the completed look with her wings. Basically, that's what she wanted. She said, I just want a wing. I want to see how the wing looks. She wanted a wing, and I like how it looks. She has like kind of like that punk rock style going on. Look at her. She looks so cute. You like it? Yeah. Okay. Well, this is it for this video, you guys. If you guys enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, share, and comment down below if you have any questions about my sister's pretty transformation. She's so cute. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye.